Spice it up at historic downtown Opelousas on June 4th, 5th, and 6th at the Opelousas Spice and Music Festival. This year will feature performances by Keith, Frank, and the Swallow Zydeco Band, Chris Ardoin and New Step, Lil Nate and the Zydeco Big Timers, Pine Leaf Boys, Same Old Two-Step, Kevin Naquin and the Awesome Playboys, Fiddle Jam with Hadley Castillo, Greg Martinez and the Delta Kings, Roddy Romero and the Hub City All-Stars, Step Burrito and the Zydeco Outlaws, Curly Taylor and Zydeco Trouble, Nathan Williams Sr. and the Zydeco Cha-Chas, and Gino Delafaz and French Rockin' Boogie. There's no place hotter for your favorite Cajun and Creole cuisine. Accordion contest, Cajun and Zydeco dance contest, historic trolley tours, barbecue cook-off, and so much more. The Opelousas Spice and Music Festival, June 4th, 5th, and 6th in historic downtown Opelousas. There's no place hotter. For more information, please visit OpelousasSpiceandMusicFestival.com. This commercial is proudly sponsored by Zydeco Online and the Zydeco Historical and Preservation Society.